Going on.
See something different.
Whole lot going on. The big boy. Scats. Got Camaros on deck. Camaros on deck. What up, big dog?
Follow me on. It's on YouTube. It's on
I got you, bro.
I'm gonna shout you out in a second.
You see where to follow him at. Camaro on deck. Toro 704. What's going on, man? Dante, man. Meet you, bro. Everybody, oh yeah, I think we got a couple more coming, and then I think we can roll after that. We got a nice little lineup. Whole lot going on. So Jack's Wax is having like a street madness takeover type deal, and we all meeting here at IKEA. Hope you guys can see that. And then we heading out, man. So we got a lot of stuff going on. So that's where we're going now. This is the meat spot. What we got? We got HELLCATs, we got Scat Packs, RTs, SS, whatever you want, we got it. Daytonas. And we got the wide body.
My gauge said 18 right now.
Probably haven't seen that charger in a long time.
Half a tank is under 100 miles.
Shit. Scat Pack with the shaker hood on it. It's been a while. Blacked out. My man Toke, he doing big things. We got a HELLCAT with us. It's not official unless you got a HELLCAT. We got a HELLCAT. HELLCAT. 40704 in the building. You already know. Yeah. Got my man here. What up, dog?
What's up, y'all? Hey, y'all seen it, man?
Yeah. 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 Camaro's taking over. HELLCAT.
So
we got everything.
One in Circle K right now.
Challenger. Shit, I can throw being the only wide body out there. Get upstage by.
Got headers or something.
Yeah, something. Yeah. Here we go. That color right there. Woo! We gotta have some fun. We gotta have some fun, Toro. Come on, man. You got traction, man. You be all right. Thought I was the only wide body, but I take that back. Got a wide body HELLCAT now, so I got to shut up. Whole lot going on. What is that? Is that a Google thing? That's one of those Google? Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, no wonder he came over here to us. He came over here to us with the quickness.
That really what it is?
That's really what it is?
The repo man came over here to make sure we was all up on our payment.
The repo man came over here looking at the chargers and shit, making sure that everything up to date. I'm telling you, we got a nice little situation going on. It's a good look right here. Wide body HELLCAT on deck. What up, dog? Clean. Clean. Whole lot going on. Whole lot going on. Whole lot going on. What's good, bro? What's good with you? All right. Drop top Camaro. Loud ass Challenger on deck. And this thing. Wow. This shit just put my shit to shame. That just put me to shame. Durango, I think he coming with us. Yes. Charger. Got a red eye coming, I think. Set my GoPro up, man. I think we're gonna have a good time. Yep. Woke up. Time to go home. Over with. Over with. We getting kicked out. Y'all ready? We getting kicked out.
He said the last one was waiting on me. Yeah, we just got kicked out of IKEA.
Did that dude tell on us? Oh, well, I'm sure they probably saw it.
Red I told on us.
That red I told on us. We getting kicked out.
Hey, everybody got the address. Everybody good. Everybody know where to go.
Everybody know? We getting kicked out, y'all. We gotta roll. Got the GoPro on deck. Everything tight. Time to roll. So I don't know if the cops were called, but she threatened that they were on their way. So whenever that gets said, it's time to roll. But did you see that red eye? That thing came in hot. That's what you do when you got 800 horsepower. You go crazy. Who's this motherfucker right here? Why they were just watching us? It's IKEA parking lot. It's not that serious at all. It's not that serious. But needless to say, we're on our way to the meet. We're probably gonna get into some crazy stuff. You know how that go. And we'll see you in the next one. See you in a little bit. Peace.